Hello guys, today our topic is haunted houses around the world. Let's start with haunted houses are a significant part of folklore and urban legends worldwide, each with unique stories and histories. These locations, often shrouded in mystery and fear, are said to be inhabited by spirits, ghosts, or other supernatural entities. Here's an overview of some of the most famous haunted houses from different parts of the world. The Winchester Mystery Houses, USA. Location: San Jose, California. History: built by Sarah Winchester, widow of the inventor of the famous rifle. This sprawling mansion is known for its maze-like design with doors and staircases leading to nowhere. It's said that Sarah built the house continuously to appease the spirits of those killed by her husband's invention. The Tower of London, England. Location: London, England. History of History: one of the most famous historical landmarks in England, the Tower of London has a dark and bloody history. It's reputed to be haunted by numerous spirits, including Anne Boleyn, the wife of Henry V, who was executed here. Visitors and guards have reported sighting of ghostly figures and strange occurrences. नेक्स्ट है हमारे पास द मेटलिस प्लांटेशंस, यूएसए. हिस्ट्री: द साउथर्न प्लांटेशंस is one of America's most haunted houses, with numerous ghost stories linked to it. The most famous is that of Collie, a former slave who was reportedly killed by the owners. Her spirit, along with others, is said to haunt the plantations, with sightings and eerie photographs taken by visitors. Bhangra Fort, India. Location: Rajasthan, India. History: often referred to as the most haunted place in India, Bhangra Fort is shrouded in legends. It's said that the fort was crushed by a wizard who was serpent by a local princess. The wizard who was spurned by a local princess. The curse led to the destruction of the town and the hunting of the fort by distressed spirits. Visitors are warned on the not to enter after sunset. Mount Cristo, Homestead, Australia. Location: New South Wales, Australia. History: the historical Homestead is considered Australia's most haunted house. The house has a tragic history with numerous deaths over the years, including a maid who fell from a balcony and a stable boy who was burned to death. The property is said to be haunted by these spirits, with unexplained phenomena reported by visitors. Edinburgh Castle, Scotland. Location: Edinburgh, Scotland. History: Edinburgh Castle is one of Scotland's most haunted sites, with reports of ghostly apparitions dating back centuries, spirits of prisoners from the wars, as well as a Handel's drummer and a Phantom Piper are set to hunt the castle's ground. Conclusion. Haunted houses around the world are steeped in history, mystery and fear, whether you believe in ghosts or not. These locations continue to captivate and terrify those who visit, each within its own unique story that adds to the rich tapestry of global folklore. Thank you. So guys, today our topic is finished.